Hello traders, welcome back. Kingsley signing in. Alright, this is a live trade that we have just taken so far. Right, this is coming a little bit late, guys, because I was struggling to give the signals in various forums. So this is due. Normally this is where our entry was, right? Our entry is here, and then we are targeting this previous high there, right? So now remember, the essence of this channel is to show you guys when I enter my trades and where they exit, and then I'm going to tell you guys why I'm able to take my trades the way I do. So basically, this is actually a trade taken based on price action. Alright, now let me show you what happened earlier on. Okay, so if you look at it very well, you see that we have Euro US dollar right in an uptrending market. So we have price creating higher highs and higher lows. Price create higher highs and higher lows. It creates higher highs, higher lows. It create higher highs. So last week we had this impulsive move completed, right? So when we had this impulsive move completed, what happened? We had to wait for price to pull back to create the next impulsive move. So we have pull back to put the next impulsive moves, right? So we have, by the way, there are a couple of analyses that we have done, and we are waiting for them to play out. Right, so we are going to be going long to here with price breaks above here, right? Australian dollar, US dollar, you have the same pattern that we are watching. One price close above, we are entering. So we have done all of this analysis. This is Bitcoin USDT. So you can see we have all of the analysis that we have sent so far. Okay, so these are the analysis that we have done, and we have almost the same patterns. We have really good opportunities that are playing out for this week. Alright, so okay, so basically now what we do is, you see that from, in fact, let's start from a bigger time frame, right? In the H4 time frame, we could see that we had a change of character, right? So we had price getting lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, until when price finally came and broke above this high. So normally when price breaks above a lower high like this and creates a new high, it shows that the trend of the market is changing. Now if you go to the H1, in the H1 now we will see that, okay, perfectly, we have our uptrending market rise. So we just need to clear out this line so that they don't make our charts dirty, so that we can do our explanations without blemish. Okay, so at this point in time, we have what, this zone that was broken. So impulsive pullback, impulsive pullback, impulsive. So what we wait forward to the next pullback. That's why you see I could use this trend line to connect. So I connected using this trend line, right? Connected first, second, we had liquidity, third, fourth. This is the fifth time that price comes back to reject in this zone. At the same time, it is like a support turn, a resistance turn support, right? So when it breaks out, it comes back to retest the zone. So when it retests the zone, that's where we took our initial trades. But now we have another entry, which is a second entry here. Okay, this is the previous low that led to this high. So when price induced this zone by clearing below, what it usually does is it clears the liquidity that was below this zone. So if you don't enter your trades from this initial retest here, right, what you should do is you can wait for price to close above this zone here. This inducement is going to be used as fuel to move price, right? So that is the second entry right there. So at this point in time, you see that price is most likely going to make it to this target here, because we have this zone used as fuel for price. That's why you see that we drop the signals. You could see we dropped the signals earlier on. So basically that's it, guys. That is it. So that's what we are going to be expecting. Price to clear up this zone. And also looking at the timing of the day, this is the London session, right? This is the London session. This is 10 o'clock AM GMT, right? And the London session opens at 8. So within the London session and within the New York session, Euro US dollar is, good to trade. So at this time, they're expecting price to move and clear out all of the zones. So we'll come back and test the zone here, right? And then if you don't enter, wait for price to come back. Don't enter late, wait for price to pull back, and then you take your trades there, and then you want to protect those highs there. So that's it, guys. Let's watch how it unveils. watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We are going to continue bringing to you guys more videos like this.